Good afternoon and welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hoffwood, South Birmingham. So fresh in part exchange Jaguar X-Type 2.2 diesel. It's a 2.2 diesel automatic, low mileage car, 66,000 miles, 3 owners from new, just been serviced. So 2.2D DPF S, metallic silver, barley coloured leather, creamy barley leather. 17-inch alloys, including the 17-inch full-size spare wheel. As you can see, rear park sensors, just serviced. Brakes on the back look new, tyre looks new. Front discs actually are brand new. Rear discs are fairly new. Again, tyre looks pretty new. Inside, super clean. Part electric seats, in lovely condition, really is. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. I've checked, this car has Bluetooth. Automatic diesel, 66,000 miles, lovely low mileage car, in very good condition for the year. £4,495 is how much it is. Rear park sensors work. It's got folding electric mirrors as well, which I believe the folding was an option. Under here, full-size alloy spare wheel with a good tyre, jack and wheel brace, all complete. You can fold down the rear seats as well. It's got the buttons there. It drives really well. Super smooth, quiet, goes well. I think it's MOT till October or November. Not dented, not scratched, not rusty. All the tyres, they do look new, all pretty new. Driver's door card in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors which do fold in. Comes with 2 keys, this car. 66,000 miles. Just been serviced. Quite a nice thing. Driver's seat's not all worn, all tatty. Lovely car. £4,495. Still looks good today. Front and rear park sensors. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there and subscribe, then you will be the first person to get a little notification every time we have a fresh car come into stock at Barclay Motor Company. You'll know about it. That's Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube. Got nearly 2,000 car videos on there we've produced over the last 10 years. You can thumb through those. You can watch this video over and over again, and you can get a notification every time we have a fresh car into stock if you subscribe to that YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.